Today, students, we are going to learn short forms of verbs. And the first one is basic form of verb to be. So, I will explain you with the help of sentence even and how to shorten the word. I am. How can we write? I am a student. This is a sentence we made, and we have to shorten the word I am. So it is I'm. I apostrophe am. I'm a student. Similarly, we will do he is. So I'll make a sentence with he is. He is my brother. So he is my brother, I've written. Now short form is he, he apostrophe s. So we can shorten it like this: he apostrophe s. He's my brother. And full stop. Similarly, we are going to make a we are, and I'm going to make a sentence: we are brother and sister. Full stop. And the short form is we apostrophe re. So how we can shorten it now? Make the sentence: we apostrophe re, we are brother and sister. Similarly for it's also, it is. Now sentence: it is raining. I can shorten this it word into its, it apostrophe s, and I can make the same sentence shortened and looks nice even if you look at it. It apostrophe s, it's raining. So we'll speak like this. We can shorten it and we can write it even. Similarly, we are going to see is not. So I'll make a sentence with is not. Okay, is not. My mother is not going to attend the PTM. So you see, I've written PTM. Now the short form of is not is is n apostrophe t, isn't. So similar sentence we will write: my mother isn't is on n apostrophe t going to attend the PTM. Full stop. Now similarly with are not, how we can write? We'll make a sentence. Okay. The children are not going to the ground. Full stop. The short form of are not is are n apostrophe aren't. So we'll write: the children aren't going to the ground. Now next sentence, next we will see the short form of they are also. So they are coming for dinner. How we can now full stop. The short form of they are is there. Apostrophe re. We miss out the a now. We kick off the a from out of this. So I can say this only. They are coming for dinner. Now similarly we will do there is another pair of shoes. Now this same there is we can write as there apostrophe theirs. So we'll write there's another pair of shoes. Now next we'll make of was not. Sentence is there was not a single drop of rain. Now we will, what is the short form of was not? Was an apostrophe t. We kick out the o from here and we get it. There wasn't an apostrophe t, no, wasn't a single drop of rain. Full stop. Now we'll make of were not. How will we make it? Were not. We were not present. Now how will we make short form of were not? WERE and kick off the O. Okay? Weren't it will become an apostrophe T. We weren't present. So similarly we can make other short forms also like this we can, and they are called contractuals. So it was beautiful. I know that you must have known now by now.